With rebuilding efforts still on the way following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, the government says priority is now on shifting towards restoring business activity and driving economic growth. Deidre Thomas reports.
4 months after the passage of Hurricane Melissa, the government says Black River is moving into a new phase of commerce-led redevelopment. Speaking at the opening ceremony of Level 8, State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seawright says the focus is now on rebuilding the parish in an economic hub for Jamaica.
I want to assure you that in every crisis comes opportunity, but it has given the government an opportunity to fast-track a number of development initiatives in the southwestern corridor of Jamaica, impacting the parishes of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland in particular. Treasure Beach, we have an airport there, an aerodrome there that we are going to develop further so that it can accommodate turboprop planes and small private jets. Already $2.9 million has been committed to that effort, and that is going to be important for developing the upscale boutique level tourism.
Jonathan Boyd, operations manager of Level 8 Fine Dining and Lounge, says the new establishment was born out of the decision to reinvest and rebuild business confidence in Black River post-Melissa.
As you all know, that Black River was impacted severely by Hurricane Melissa last year, and a lot of the businesses have been damaged. As a result of that, he said that, well, we have to do something for Black River, and this is his idea. We have a bakery, because as you know, the Sunrise Bakery was impacted and it's down, and a lot of businesses are down. So here at Fine Dining, we have a bakery, we have a fine dining restaurant, we have a deli, and we have a game lounge.
Beyond immediate rebuilding, the government outlined a slate of infrastructure